Welcome to Product Critique, where we review and analyze the latest tech products on the market. In today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at the Franklin Wireless JEXtream RG2100 5G Wi-Fi 6 Mobile Hotspot Router. The Franklin Wireless JEXtream RG2100 is designed to harness the power of 5G technology. 5G offers multi-gigabit per second peak data rates and 100 plus megabits per second average data rates, which is a significant 10x increase over 4G. This means lightning-fast internet speeds for all your devices, making it perfect for streaming, gaming, and video calling. Not only does this device support 5G, but it also features Wi-Fi 6 technology. Wi-Fi 6 allows more users and devices to connect simultaneously without affecting speed or reliability. Enjoy HD streaming, real-time gaming, and video calling on multiple devices without any lag. The JEXtream RG2100 comes equipped with high-performance antennas. These antennas provide exceptional Wi-Fi performance and coverage, both indoors and outdoors. You'll have a strong and reliable connection wherever there is cellular coverage. This mobile hotspot router is perfect for on-the-go use. It's ideal for remote workers, travelers, outdoor meetings, and more. Stay connected and enjoy high-speed internet wherever you are. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US. If you plan to use it internationally, you may need an adapter or converter to match local outlets and voltage. Make sure to check compatibility before purchasing. The Franklin Wireless JEXtream RG2100 is available for $119.99. There are also renewed options available at a lower price, starting at $47.15. Consider your budget and needs when choosing the right option for you. If you're looking for alternatives, there are similar items available on Amazon, such as the Netgear Nighthawk M1 and M6 mobile hotspots. Compare features and prices to find the best fit for your requirements. The dimensions of this product are 7.5 by 4.25 by 1 inch, and it weighs 10.9 ounces. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry with you. The Franklin Wireless JEXtream RG2100 is manufactured by Franklin Wireless. For warranty information, you can refer to the product details on Amazon. In summary, the Franklin Wireless JEXtream RG2100 5G Wi-Fi 6 Mobile Hotspot Router offers blazing fast 5G internet speeds, Wi-Fi 6 capabilities, and excellent coverage with high-performance antennas. It's a versatile and portable solution for those in need of reliable internet on the go. Don't forget to check for compatibility and explore the pricing options available to find the best deal for you. Thank you for watching this product critique video. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Stay tuned for more in-depth product reviews and tech discussions on our channel. Until next time,